Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the 2022 Forester model 2401B. So this is the Forest River Forester 2041B. It's a Mercedes Class B Plus motorhome. We're going to take a quick look at the outside and the inside. Right up front, you can see that this has a beautiful full body paint job. Nice bunk over the cab, TV on the outside with a power awning, and there is a propane quick connect on the rear in case you want to have a grill for the barbecue. Let's take a look. Now this motorhome is only 25 feet 5 inches, but it has a huge full wall slide. So when you turn to the left, you'll see that this is a short but stout motorhome. Super spacious when the slide out's open. So right up front here, Mercedes cockpit, lane assist, collision mitigation, cruise control, all the things that you want from your Mercedes, that's what it has. Bunk over the cab, it holds 440 pounds, so you can bring a guest with you. Right over here, we have very nice looking cabinetry, a U-shaped dinette. There is storage underneath the dinette, and this dinette does drop down to make a bed. Over here in the kitchen, you got solid surface countertops, which is beautiful. Regular 2-burner cooktop, no oven, but you do have a microwave convection oven. And what's super unique in a motorhome this size is the fact that you're getting a residential refrigerator. Very nice. Right over here in the bedroom, you do got a fold-up bed, okay? All that is storage in the rear. It's absolutely fantastic. To wrap it all up, if you go on in there, you can see that this has a really good size shower, toilet, and sink area with a very nice medicine cabinet. Overall, this is just a fantastic motorhome at a fantastic price and a fantastic size. Thank you guys so much for checking out the short video. If you want to see the full video, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, contact us by clicking the link down below, and somebody from our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.